Hey, this is Mark with eCommerce Site Owners, and today I'm excited to announce our brand new course. It's called ClickFunnels for eCommerce. It's a free course that I've put together, and it's primarily for people who may want to get started online and they've heard of sales funnels, they've heard of ClickFunnels, but maybe they haven't actually created an account or started using them or building out sales funnels at all. And ClickFunnels is a great option for anyone looking to sell one particular product and have multiple upsells. It's a great way to optimize the return on investment for every single person that you get to your website over and above Shopify. And so that's why I always recommend that's a great place to start out. And so whether or not you're just starting out selling online, or you're a well-established entrepreneur that's been selling online for a long time and just wants to know more about how to get around in ClickFunnels and what the opportunities are and how to make all the updates and edits, this is a great course and it's free, so you really have nothing to lose. So I'll leave a link right below this video. I'll give you free access into this course, or you can come on to Facebook. In our Facebook group, it's called eCommerce Site Owners. Learn how to build a 7-figure e-commerce business. And if you're at all interested in e-commerce, it's a great place to be. I sell online millions every year, and I primarily use ClickFunnels, Amazon FBA, Shopify. I do drop shipping, private label, and wholesale. So anyway, if that's something you're interested in, check us out. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just go down to this announcement in the group, and again, I'll leave a link below this video as well. And you'll just click on it and you'll be taken to this page where you can just add in your email and your name, and you'll be taken to the next step. And on this page, this is just basically telling you how to get your free course bonuses. I include my personal high converting e-commerce funnel as well, so you can just import that into your account. I also include my abandoned cart emails. I also include support in our private Facebook group. So just watch this video really quickly. I'll just tell you exactly how to go about getting access to those free course bonuses and set up your ClickFunnels account. And then very important, just make sure that whatever email address you used on the previous page you use to set up your account. So when you click here, it'll take you to this page right here. And so you'll just add your email, your password, confirm your password, and then you'll be taken into the members area. And so inside the members area, there's a lot of great information. Just take your time and go through step by step. You'll always have access to this. I just wanted to walk you around really quickly to show you exactly what you'll get. So first of all, we have several different course lessons. We have a welcome, an overview, a tour of ClickFunnels, types of funnels that you can use, how to use templates. So once you create a template that you like how it looks, you can use that over and over and edit it as well. We also have a page editor getting started video, and as well as an advanced tutorial, how to add products, how to set up your payments, how to set up your email, custom domains, how to upload digital assets. So basically ClickFunnels will allow you to store your PDFs, your MP3s, video files, any sort of downloads that you need to access or put into a funnel. You can upload them here, and you don't have to have any external web host or anything else. Also go into abandoned carts, how to set those up, those emails, which I can give you. Also, I'll show you how to set up your Facebook pixel to be able to do retargeting for people who come to your page and don't end up buying. Also, I'll talk about ClickFunnels and Zapier integration. And again, Zapier is a service that's free, and it allows you to interact many other services with ClickFunnels. For example, you can have all your orders from ClickFunnels go directly into a Google Sheet, or you can get an SMS message every time that you get an order on ClickFunnels. So it's super powerful, and we use it in all of our funnels, and I think you'll really enjoy it. I also have a page with additional resources and videos that will help you in ClickFunnels and e-commerce. And then this link right here will again take you to the page where you can learn more about all the different bonuses that are included. Again, you get access to my private funnel, and basically after you set up your free ClickFunnels account, you'll just send me an email with your name and email address, or you can just forward your receipt, and when I get that, I'll basically add a tag to your login that gives you access to this section right here, this bonus section. And what you're going to get is you're going to get my best converting funnel. So this is the one that I use, and it has everything you need to get started. So it has a sales page, one-time offer page right here, another one-time offer, order confirmation page. It also has a contact us page, privacy policy, refunds and returns page, and terms of service. So basically everything that you need, and you can just import that directly into your new ClickFunnels account and use that. I also show you this step-by-step video walkthrough of how to customize the funnel for your business and make it fit exactly what you're looking for it to do. So I go very much in depth to show you how to change images, text, all these different things that you need, and that's included as well as a bonus. I also give you my personal abandoned cart emails, and this can increase your profits by anywhere from 15 to 50%, just depending on how focused you are. But ClickFunnels has the ability to automatically build in custom abandoned cart emails. I'm going to give you the ones that have worked best for me. I'm also going to give you access to my private Facebook group for support. So as you're going through the course, if you have any questions about the course material or setting up your own funnels, how to do something, whatever it might be, I'm here to help you. And so when you join ClickFunnels through my link, you'll have access to me for as long as you need it. And again, I'm here to help you be successful. So all you need to do when you get inside and you've gone through the courses, is all the training, you can just click on this to set up your ClickFunnels account, and then just forward me the receipt via email, or just send me an email to Mark at eCommerceSiteOwners.com. So hopefully you'll check this out. Again, everything is free in this training, and my purpose in this is to help people to understand there's other options out there. You can build a business online, and I'll show you exactly how easy it is to do that using ClickFunnels. So hope you like it. If you have any questions, leave a comment below this video, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside.